Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome on board on this beautiful A320NEO. And this is the first video of 5 videos series, which will show you the beauty of that upcoming Blue Sky Star Simulations new sound pack, which will be in a store soon as it's ready. The new sound pack will consist of 2 engines, which is Pratt & Whitney and LEAP CFM. So that would be 1998. So usually I sell one main sound pack and then expansions. This one will be special. It will consist already with 2 engines. So 2 in 1. And then you can see that I've disabled all the sounds except switching. And switching is basically switches, selectors, knobs, levers, everything that moves, everything that is mechanical in the cockpit and around the cockpit and around the plane. And already just in that field, just in switching, we already have 300 sound samples. Imagine how big this sound pack will be and how awesome it will be. In my opinion, what I can see right now, how it's coming, I think that would be my best work so far. And I'm currently implementing new stuff, new technologies that I keep a secret. I will not disclose it for my competition. So I will let you guys judge, and you'll be the judges when you will fly this beauty with a new sound pack. And I promise you, satisfaction will be guaranteed, as always. And that's gonna be something out of this world. Now, the next video will be the systems. Possibly I would have to have it in 2 parts because plenty to show. The third video is environment, ground, flight, etc. People, perhaps. And the last one is engines. And the 5th one will be a promo video, which will come with the release of this sound pack. As you probably noticed, maybe not, maybe you did, if you're developing for Explain. Currently, it's really slow for Explain, and I'm hoping that by releasing sound packs, because I really like Explain, I really like flying, and I already explained why I choose Explain over I have both sims, but I choose Explain. And I really hope that people will start coming back. To this field, and I will note pretty much after this release. I will see, it will depend. Let's say the outcome of this release, the sales, will depend on how fast the other sound packs will go. So if we do really good, then other sound packs will be right around the corner.